Yo, hey, everybody, what is up? Shaun Hadsall here, stubborn fat expert, owner of Get Lean in 12. Welcome to my kitchen. Today's fat burning food, we're gonna talk about healthy wraps, the healthiest wrap that you can use to make a sandwich wrap. Now, most people will automatically choose whole wheat wraps in favor of white wraps, but reality is there's not really a whole lot of difference. In fact, in the book Wheat Belly, the author talked about a study where a group of people ate a Snickers bar and the other group of people ate a couple pieces of wheat bread. And the group that ate the wheat bread actually had a higher elevation of insulin and blood sugar in their bloodstream after eating the wheat bread than a Snickers bar. Remember, when insulin's elevated and you spike blood sugar like that, this is what forces your body to store more fat, and it prevents your body from using fat as a fuel source. Now, the next best choice after that is probably going to be Ezekiel wraps. This is sprouted grain. They're not gluten-free, just so you know, but they are healthy. And they do have some carbs in them. Not a lot, but they're lower carb because they do have some fiber. And I think they're really good, but they tend to fall apart a lot. My favorite one, though, is right here, and there's a couple different brands for you, is coconut wraps. And a couple different brands that my wife finds. And I think she's even finding these at local stores like Kroger now. We have a local market that we go to that carries local produce and local meats from humanely raised animals. But nowadays, you can find these at regular grocery stores. So they're organic, they're non-GMO, they're raw, they're vegan, they're paleo, they're gluten-free. And if you look at the label on both of these, they have 70 calories per wrap. Most of that's coming in the form of dietary fat, saturated fat, from coconut meat. So it's healthy saturated fat. Only 3 grams of sugar per wrap and only 6 grams of carbs. But because there's 2 grams of fiber, that means the carb content in this is 4 grams. And those 3 grams of sugar are actually directly from the coconut. So there's no added sugar in these. And they actually taste really, really good. So give these a try. Again, your coconut wraps. You can, put you upside down here. You see here, coconut wrap here, and here's another brand for you as well. So hopefully you got something out of this. Another food swap that you can make to keep your body in a fat burning environment. If you like this, you got something out of it, give me some thumbs up, give me some hearts. If you got questions, drop a comment below. Thanks for taking time out of your busy day to check out this short, rapid fat loss video, and keep going strong.